Hello little learners, welcome to our channel. Today, let us listen to the story of the 3 little pigs. This story is perfect for learning simple English words. Listen carefully to the words: house, pig, wolf, straw, wood, brick. Try to say the words after me. Are you ready? Let us begin the story together. Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs. They wanted to build their own houses. The first little pig built a house of straw. It was quick and easy, but not very strong. The second little pig built a house of sticks. It was stronger than straw, but still not very safe. The third little pig worked hard. He built a strong house of bricks. One day, a big bad wolf came. He wanted to eat the pigs. He came to the house made with straws. He blew on the straw house. Huff, puff. The house fell down. Then he went to the stick house. He blew on the stick house. Huff, puff. The house also fell down. Then the wolf came to the brick house. He blew and blew. But the house was strong. It did not fall. The 3 little pigs were safe in the brick house. The wolf ran away. They learned, hard work makes us strong and safe. The end. Thank you. You have learned new words: house, pig, wolf, straw, wood, and brick. Good job! Thank you for watching. Keep practicing your English every day. Subscribe for more videos.